Hi everyone, I have got another daily challenge for you, and today it's to make some fabric jewellery. So all I've got is some old clothes that were going to go to the clothes recycling, and I've cut them up into some strips like this, and then I'm going to plait them and I'm going to make a bracelet. Let me show you. So I have got 3 of my fabric strips and I'm going to tie a knot in this end up here. So it looks like this once you've tied a knot in it. I've got a bit of spare here, and then I'm going to use this to hold it in place. And I'm going to plait this all the way down to the other end. So I've plaited all the way down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take the knot out of this end and I'm going to tie them together to make my bracelet. So now my bracelet looks something like this. I'm just going to cut all these ends off to make it neat. There you have it, one fabric bracelet. I wonder what else you can make with fabric. Could you make a necklace or a headband? I'd love to see what you can make.